formed in Britain in 1973, it was an all-star lineup. Paul and drummer Simon Kirk had come from the band Free. Mick Ralphs was the lead guitar player for Mott the Hoople, and bass player Boz Burrell was in King Crimson. They often get labeled as one of the finest, first ever supergroups of all time, when really they were four great musicians that came together for the love of music. People say the best bands are often the greatest part of the sum of their parts. Believe me, as a founding member of Fleetwood Mac, I know that all too well. Oh yeah! And that is absolutely true of Bad Company. From the start, they made their mark, becoming the first band signed to Led Zeppelin's Swan Song Records.